So we're going to have a risk for severe weather this weekend, specifically on Sunday and probably into Monday as well across eastern Colorado. This is coming up for Sunday, May the 18th, and into Monday, May the 19th. Maybe a stronger storm or two in the far eastern plains coming up on Saturday, May the 17th as well. So let's kind of get into it. First of all, today, on this Friday, we're quiet. Just a bit of a breeze out there. Mostly quiet weather for us today. Tomorrow, we see some afternoon showers and storms. We are going to be lacking low-level moisture tomorrow. So any storms that develop between mainly 2 and 6 p.m., they'll be on the weaker side, but a brief gusty downpour, some small hail, and also some lightning and some gusty winds. Probably wind will end up being our main concern, 40, 50 mile an hour winds. Not too worried about that. If you're going to the Rapids game on Saturday night, as I mentioned, it looks okay. Just watch out for a shower storm before the game. Now, Sunday, you're running the Colfax Marathon, you're fine. It's going to be pristine weather on Sunday morning with a lot of sunshine and cool temperatures, comfortably cool, upper 40s, low 50s as you start things off for the Colfax Marathon. That's awesome news. Now, later on as we head through the day, that's when we see showers and storms. Now, we get that moisture that pulls on in from the Gulf. It comes in from the east. We get a cold front that moves through, and we do have some wind shear. That is a change in wind speed with direction and height. That gives us that natural twisting motion in the atmosphere, allows storms to really sustain themselves for a long period of time. So the result is we could be talking about some stronger storms on Sunday afternoon. Now, that threat right now is higher east of Denver, but I suspect that this will move a little west into the I-25 corridor. Threat will be mainly for damaging hail as well as some strong winds for us on Sunday afternoon. But again, all modes of severe weather will be possible, especially the far eastern plains. So if you're joining me from Fort Morgan on east towards the Kansas and Nebraska state lines, that's where you start getting into that trouble zone for some really large hail and maybe even a few tornadoes possible there. West of Fort Morgan, including the Denver metro area, Sunday afternoon between about 1 and 6 p.m., we'll have the threat for a few stronger storms. I think the threat will be a little higher as you get up by Fort Collins and in Greeley compared to Denver. Still a few things to watch for, but just keep an eye to the skies on Sunday, and we'll have some leftover storms for Monday as well.